In this video we will show you how to guarantee yourself a profit in forex.Yes, that's right, here we will talk about a move stop on plus.But, but let's start with the fact that we are on the German index GER 30. We have two open buy positions.But, but here we won't talk about why we made these buy positions. Here we will show you how to guarantee a certain profit when trading when you are in the plus. As we have seen, we are in profit, and let's see what the profit is. The profit from these two positions is $9.64. We are now at a good profit, and if we do not want to close the positions, but let them develop, we must guarantee ourselves some profit. In order to guarantee a certain profit, we must move the stop level to plus on each of the positions. In this way, we can let two positions develop, but also guarantee a certain profit if the price makes a correction and goes in the opposite direction. So you will be able to sleep peacefully with open positions. If you like the video, you can subscribe to YouTube channels. You can also share the video with friends. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments.